Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's lesson, we're going to learn this phrasal verb called run out of. And I'm going to go through a list of examples on how to use this. Now, before I go on, I'd like to remind you to please subscribe to my channel and also to hit the like and the share buttons. All right, without further ado, let's go. Hello everybody. So today we're going to learn this phrasal verb called run out of. It means nothing left or used up or no more. In life, people can run out of many things like food, money, luck, patience, time, and other things as well. So in today's lesson, I'm going to go through a little story to show you the different ways that we can use the phrasal verb to run out of. Here goes. While we're hiking in the forest, we keep getting bitten by mosquitoes because we run out of bug spray. Here's a question. Have you ever run out of bug spray or other important things like water, tissues, or food while you were in the woods, the park, or on a hiking trail? If yes, what was it? After a long day of hiking, we're ready for some dinner. Everyone's really hungry, so we run out of food quickly. Question. Do you have someone in your family who's a big eater and you often run out of food in the house? Let's quickly drive out to the local store to get some food. By the way, the car is low on gas. Hopefully, we can make it to the pump before it runs out. Question. Before I drive off, I always make sure that I have enough fuel in the tank. It would be a nightmare to run out of gas in the middle of the road. Has this ever happened to you? We're back at the campsite, ready to relax by the campfire. After a couple of hours, the fire is dead because we run out of logs. Question. Every time we go camping, we always bring plenty of logs with us, so we've never run out of wood to burn. However, we've run out of matches and fire starters before. How about you? We can't see anything without the fire. Let's bring out the flashlights. Oh no, we run out of batteries too. Question. This happens to me all the time. My phone and my iPad often run out of power because I forget to recharge them. It always happens at the worst times, like when I'm on an important call or watching a great video. Do you charge up your devices regularly? The next day, we go back to the local store to get fresh batteries, but we run out of money. How are we going to pay? Question. I always bring my credit card with me when I go shopping, so I never run out of cash. Some people spend a lot and usually run out of money before month end. Are you a spender or a saver? The store owner runs out of patience on us and looks ticked off. We just keep our heads down because we run out of things to say. Question. My parents and the teachers used to run out of patience on my brother when he was in school because he never ran out of ways to annoy people. Has anyone ever run out of patience on you? If yes, what happened? The store owner has such a terrible attitude. If he keeps this up, he will run out of customers one day. Question. During the pandemic, people stayed home, So many stores ran out of customers and shut down. Did that happen at where you live? We run out of luck on this trip. Let's pack up and go home. Question. We all have our good days and bad days. Sometimes we get lucky and sometimes we run out of luck. How do you make yourself feel better when you run out of luck? We can't put too many things in the backpacks or they'll run out of room. Question. I tend to keep too many things in my purse, like my phone, keys, wallet, tissues, pen, sunglasses. This is why I always carry a big handbag or it'll run out of room. Do you carry a lot in your bag? Does your bag run out of room easily? The trunk runs out of space, so we need to put some stuff on the car seat. Question. My car has a pretty big trunk that can fit a lot of things inside. The only time that it runs out of space is after I do grocery shopping. What do you put in your trunk? Can it hold a lot or does it run out of space easily? On the way home, someone wants to stop by the side of the road to take some pictures. We tell them no because it's getting late and we're running out of time. Question. For me, I'm the busiest in the morning. I need to get breakfast ready and then go to work. I need to act quickly or I'll run out of time. What about you? When are you the busiest? How do you make sure you don't run out of time? We are finally home. Yay! But there's a problem. We run out of food in the fridge. What are we going to eat tonight? Question. We rarely run out of food at home. However, we went on a 5-day trip last year and we didn't leave enough food for our fish. They ran out of food, but thank goodness they were all right. Have you or your pets ever run out of food? To make matters worse, we forgot to pay the water bill before we went on the trip. So now the house runs out of water too. How are we going to shower tonight? Question. Many places in the world is having water shortage. Rivers and lakes are drying up and people are running out of fresh water to use. Does this worry you? First, the bad trip. Now, there's no food or water in the house. This is just too much to handle, and I'm running out of smiles. Question. It's not easy being a teacher because there are times when the kids just drive me crazy and I run out of smiles. When was the last time someone drove you crazy and made you run out of smiles? My friend tries to cheer me up by making me laugh, but very soon he realizes that he runs out of jokes. Question. I could never be a comedian because I probably run out of jokes in no time and make everyone fall asleep. Are you a funny person who never runs out of humor? In life, there are times when we run out of things like money, time, luck, food, ideas, etc. But the most important thing is to never run out of hope. All right, everybody, so this is it for today's lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. And before I leave, I'd just like to remind you again to please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so, and also to hit the like and the share buttons. All right, till next time. Bye.